Hey, it's Mr. Ant again, and we got the 30 horsepower Evinrude. So this thing hasn't been running forever. I just got it, and I don't know if it actually runs or not. I haven't really messed with it, so our goal today is just to get her, to see if she runs. We're gonna try to resurrect the beast. Maybe the beast from the Middle East, as they would say. But yeah, we're gonna try to get this thing running. So first, we're gonna just take the cowling off. We're gonna do a compression check. So I'm gonna get those numbers for you. Take the cowling off. I'll just put it right here. Put that right there. So yeah, we got a carby. It doesn't look too bad. I don't know too much about this motor, but we're gonna do a compression check on it. So I'm gonna put the camera down and get those numbers to you. Alright, I got my 2 spark plugs out. I'm gonna just I'll just put them down here. Put them down there. And I'm gonna get the gauge on there. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're gonna give it a couple pulls. So top cylinder, we got 120 up top, as you can see, so 120. So we're going to check the bottom one. Okay, so now we have the bottom cylinder, we got 120. So 120 on both cylinders, so this engine should run. But now we're going to test for spark. Okay, now we're going to test each cylinder to make sure it has spark, because that's one of the things we need for an engine to run. We need fuel, compression, spark, and timing for any small engine. So we're going to ground the spark plug to the block, and you should see a spark jump. So pull it. Okay, good. So as you can see, we saw a spark in the top cylinder. So now we're going to try the bottom. All right, give it a pull. Okay, so we have compression and spark. The last thing we need for this thing to run is fuel. So overall, you know, it looks pretty good. Little paint's like faded here. You know, just because it's probably old, I don't think it ever overheated. But we're going to get some fuel hooked up to her and see if she starts. Okay, so when I was inspecting the motor, this part right here is broken. So this is what lets the motor switch. It's supposed to be connected to this metal, whatever this metal thing is. But you see as it's like snapped. So I use this to shift it from back and forth, but it's not connected to anything. But it is a neutral, so when we do pull it over, it should start. So let's give this thing some gas. I always have the arrow pointed up, so we're gonna give it gas. And you can probably hear it through the carb. So gas is getting to the carb. So that's good. Okay, I'm gonna get the earmuffs, the water hose, and we're gonna try to start her over. Okay, I'm gonna pull her over and see if she'll run. She'll start. Let's see. Primer 3 times. 2, 3. That's not good. All right, we're gonna try to start her up. Prime it. motor. Let's see if she'll start back up with one pull. She runs pretty good, but I'm gonna still clean the carb and do a link and sync in the next video. So we've resurrected the beast, and there'll be more outboard videos after this. Catch you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe.